take notice of a rare opportunity to own this clean, well-maintained upper unit condo, surrounded both by nature and convenience. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit is perfect for the first-time buyer, or if you're ready to downsize and enjoy a low-maintenance lifestyle. This spacious open-concept living and dining room area feature updated laminate flooring and a wood-burning fireplace that adds that extra special warmth on a chilly winter's day. The living room opens to a balcony, which is the perfect spot to sip your coffee, read a book, take in the sounds of nature, and with no rear neighbors, you'll be sure to enjoy your privacy. The bright kitchen has extra space for a breakfast nook, a desk, or a convenient rolling kitchen island. You've got options. On the second floor, 2 large bedrooms, both with plenty of closet space, and the master bedroom has the added feature of another balcony. An updated bathroom, storage room, and laundry room round out the second floor. If the summer heat is too much, no problem. This unit has central air conditioning, so you've got the best of both worlds in every season. Nestled in nature, but close to schools and all amenities, this unit is a must-see. So call Tracy Arnett Realty for more information today.